On today's episode of Make or Make Do, we're going to try and stretch another season out of this rake. We're going to need to put some teeth in here and find a new handle for it. Got quite a selection of tool handles. Nobody said it had to be straight. Yeah, we can make do with that. Can we make do with some twigs? We'll have to try it and see. Well, if whittled some twigs down a little bit, we'll plug them in and see how they work. Okay, I got those twigs put in and secured them as best as I could with some little nails. Now we need to get that handle put on. We got to clean out the stub from the old handle first. It ain't pretty, but maybe it'll hold for another season. We'll see. Well, here's the acid test. All we need to do with it is to rake up these lawn trimmings. And it looks like it'll do just fine. Well, I think we can make do with this. at least for a few more months. We'll see what comes after that.